Hello everyone, it's me Rona and I am on another field trip, and today I am heading to a place called Floor&Decor in Virginia, and I believe it's in Alexandria. Yes, I just saw the sign. It is located in Alexandria. And so while I'm here, I'm going to be picking up some samples that I need for matching different projects that I'm working on. And I'm also going to do a little segment that I hope will be helpful when you're picking paint and other color patterns for your home and decoration projects. So I will be there shortly, and once I'm there safely and in the parking lot and in the store, I'll tune back in, and so I'll see you shortly. So now that I'm inside of the store, one of the areas that, of course, we're going to address today specifically are floors, which is one of the elements of design. And if you haven't already downloaded a copy of the 7 elements that I like to use when I'm working with clients, feel free to go to my website at dmvinteriors.com and download a copy of that. The second element that I'll show you a little bit later in this video is the walls. So in this particular field trip, we're looking at materials for walls and we're looking at materials for the floor, 2 of the 7 elements of design. With that being said, right now I'm just showing you a variety of the different types of materials that are available for floor projects. And like most clients, when you have just built a home, you probably have samples of your floor. And if you've had your home now for a few years and you're looking to upgrade, you would go to a store like this and get some ideas and hopefully pick up some samples. So that way, when we're working together, I have a better idea of what it is that you're trying to accomplish on your project. The most important thing here is the type of material that you're using and the colorway, which is one of the topics that we talk about in the DMV Interior Workshop, Decoration and Design, where we identify the 5 inputs that get you on the road to completing your design project successfully. There'll be more information on that in another video. Now I've gone ahead and I've selected a few samples that I'm going to have with me so that when I'm back in my studio, I can do some paint matching to give you an idea of a different pathway that you could consider for a project that you're working on. And I also wanted to capture some of the different materials that are out there on the market. And as you can see here, these are tile options that you can put into a kitchen, a basement, a bathroom, anywhere in your home. And I do believe that they also have materials that make it possible for you to even put these materials on walls as well. So that's why we're identifying these 2 elements as floors and walls. And as you know, when you're designing and decorating and creating your vision for what it is that you want in your home, the more options you have, the more confusing it can be. But just know that deciding what you want for your walls and your floors can have a major impact on your overall design. And that's why I wanted to show you some of these options. And of course, when you identify your colorways and your overall style, then everything else will start to fall in place. And if not, that's what I'm here for. If you need that type of assistance, of course, I can help you narrow your focus. And if you like the tours that you see on my channel, please be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And also hit the alert bell. And that way, when I release my videos, you'll be the first to know. And if there's a place you'd like to see me visit, please leave it in the comments below. This is one of my favorite stores because even if you don't buy things here, you can become so inspired by all of the different options that are available. And it also helps you to start formulating your budget. Not only that, but when you decide what it is that you want, you can come and get samples, and you can also return those samples within 90 days So you could take these things home, look at them in that space, and then make your decision from there. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I look forward to spending time with you on the next design field trip.